Okay, here's a quick tip on how to clean hard-to-reach ground posts. I'm looking at an 04 Silverado, and that ground terminal connects down to that post down there, which is incredibly hard to reach. You can fit your hand down there, maybe with some sandpaper, but wire brushes usually do a little bit better of a job for cleaning that type of stuff. For the terminal, you can just pull it out and clean it however you would like. But down there, how do you get to it? So my first thought was maybe I could use a battery terminal cleaner and stick it down in there, but one, it doesn't fit, and two, that hole is way too big for that little post down there, so it's not actually going to do a good job. So what you can do is you can go to any auto parts store, and they sell these wire brushes that attach to a drill, and you take one of them and stick a screwdriver in there and make a little hole, just like the battery terminal cleaner. And then once you have that, you can take it, stick it down in there, put it on top, it's in there, and then you can just twist it. And you obviously can't fit the drill because of the window, but you can twist it, pull it out, and I already cleaned mine before I actually made the video, but you get the point. Hope that helped.